Welcome to Classy Fashion Ideas. First of all, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. So friends, in this video I'm here with you along with a very stylish and very easy to make collection of hand embroidery designs. From this video collection you can get amazing ideas of color combinations, hand embroidery stitches, embroidery patterns, and much more. The most important question that where you can use these embroidery patterns. So the answer to this question is very simple: wherever you want to. Like, you can use these embroidery patterns in a variety of ways to decor your home. Like, you can make them on pillow covers, bed sheets, cushion covers, curtain covers, table mats, kitchen pot accessory covers. Even you can use these designs as hoop art for your walls or some other sort of decoration pieces of art. And not only this, you can use this in a variety of dress designing ideas. Like, you can use these bunches on your shirts corners or as short all over spray. And in baby dress designing you can amazingly design these embroidery patterns onto their frocks and tops. And not only this, you can use these embroidery patterns in a variety of amazing DIY ideas. Like, you can make these embroidery flowers on face masks, mouth masks that we used to wear to remain protected from coronavirus pandemic. So at the same time you can remain protected and you can look classy by having these embroidery mouth masks. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned with us.